Hello, hello. Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and in this video today, I am going to share with you the April 2022 Kraftin Kimmie release. I thought it would be fun to do a separate video from my Saturday showcase so that I could show you all the fun new goodies that are in the shop now. I love this release, but I say that about every release. I just love Kraftin Kimmie Stamps. So I will start with the new products. Some of them I don't have because I did use them, but I will link everything in the description box below, and you can go to the store and check it out yourself. The new ink color is Luscious Lemon. It is a very pretty yellow color. The add-on bundle had a wiper card. I think it was from Photo Play, which I will show you the wiper card that I made with that. Some rickrack, and then these gorgeous, gorgeous gems. And I think Alyssa might join us, so hopefully she won't cause too much havoc. The crafty comeback was Cave Kids. For those that don't know, I love dinosaurs. If I were to pick a new career, I would probably want to become a paleontologist. I think it's so cool and learning about prehistoric times. So I love this new stamp set. Next up, Excuse the Masks. This was Stone Age Friends, again with that prehistoric theme. And I had a lot of fun with this stamp set. Next up was Cheeky Chipmunks. Some cute, cute chipmunks with some fun strawberries. Super, super fun. And then the last stamp set was Pandemonium. These pandas are just adorable. So, so much fun. And so, so cute. There's also two new stencils. This one is Animal Adventure. Hopefully you can kind of see it there. And there goes an Alyssa. And then this one I really, really like. It's Tiny Triangles. Lots of possibilities for both of these. I'm excited to add those to my stencil stash. On to the cards that I created this week for this release. First up was using that Crafty Comeback stamp set, Cave Kids, and I used that Animal Adventure, haven't learned the names yet, yep, Animal Adventure stencil and that Luscious Lemon ink there. And You Are Dynamite, and that little dinosaur. And then I stamped her on the inside with some Kraftin Kimmie, I think it was Rich Rust. I will also link all the blog posts below so that you can go and visit my blog and find out more details if you want to. Next up, I had for the, oh, sorry, Alyssa is trying to steal my rickrack. I'm sorry. For those that follow me on Facebook, you know that it's always Alyssa. But this was my card that I made for the Stone Age Friends. And I used several Kraftin Kimmie older stencils. There's one called Kraftin Kimmie Scenery, I believe it is. I think I used a 1 and 2. I think there's 3 different ones there. And oh my goodness, she just stepped all over my keyboard. I apologize. But I thought this turned out so fun. Kind of reminds me of the Flintstones a little bit. Have a mammoth day. And I left that blinking on the inside, but it was a super fun scene to create. And then next was the Cheeky Chipmunks. This one might be a little bit harder to see because it's white on white, but I used 2 of those cute chipmunks with that strawberry. I put glossy accents on it. Those are those pretty gems from the add-on bundle. I embossed this back panel, and then on the inside it says, "Have a chipper day." And I stamped them in some very, very light pink ink there. So they will be fun to play with more. And then this one is the card that I keep playing with over and over. I think I will have to either get more of those wiper cards that came in that add-on kit that are already ready to go, or I'm going to have to learn how to make it myself because this is so much fun, so many possibilities. So it says, "You are positively amazing," And that's what it's like closed. And then you open it up and there's a little bear, a little panda that pops up. So yeah, I've been playing with this card probably way more than I should. And I am excited to try to learn to make more wiper cards, because how fun is that? So there are my cards that I've created so far using the April 2022 Kraftin Kimmie release. Again, everything is available to purchase now. And I'm sorry for all the background noise. Alyssa is going through and knocking things off of my craft table. Way to go, Alyssa. So anyways, have an amazing day. Happy shopping. Always fun to get new goodies, and these are super fun. Make some super cute cards. And until my next video, have a great day.